Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Marina here today and I'd like to share with you my new big photo folio for a sweet baby girl. In this photo folio we can put pictures 9 by 13 or 10 by 15 centimeters, and it is decorated with sweet owls in a beautiful pinks and greys backgrounds. It opens in this way, and again here with two photo mats. Here is a side waterfall where we can put photos 10 by 15 centimeters. In the center I made a booklet where you can journal or put your photos as well. I used magnets to keep it on the album. And last but not least, I made a big waterfall to keep 25 photos. I hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!